can maintain new opportunities for the people.
So today we handed over the draft electoral roll to the political parties, and accordingly, this is an important milestone in SIR activities. Since 100% of the EF distribution, collection, and digitalization happened in West Garo Hills along with all the other districts of Meghalaya on time. So a draft electoral roll on the basis of that has been prepared. Now the next steps are to distribute these draft electoral rolls and bring this to the knowledge of the public. So one copy of this draft rolls will be handed over to the village headmen as well, so that they can also publicize it, bring it to the attention of people. And if from the political parties or from the public any discrepancies are found, any issues are found in that list, any additions that they feel need to be done, any deletions that they feel need to be done, or any changes, that can be brought to the attention of the concerned EROs or the election office. And accordingly, we will conduct a due process to make sure that that the electoral roll is free of any issues, free of any errors, and is 100% clean. So far we have tried to make sure as much as possible through our booth level officers as well as under the supervision of EROs as well. But still we cannot rule out that there still may be some discrepancies, because of which ample time is being given. So there is a time of 1 month which is being given to all the citizens to file their objections. And then the next 1 month is being given to make sure that there is due time for our officers as well, for the EROs and AEROs, to give a due hearing to the people as well. So for the hearing also, there is a complete process of appeal. If they're not happy with the decisions of EROs, they can appeal to me. If they're not happy with my decision as well, they can appeal to the Chief Electoral Officer. So there are multiple layers of appeals that the citizens have been provided, and ample time has been provided. This is to make sure that there are no discrepancies at all in the electoral roll, and whatever names are there, whatever details are present in the final electoral roll, they are error-free.